People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, dancehall star Spice recently got a rude awakening because after she put on a back-to-school treat for the community, thinking that I guess they were going to be very appreciative and loving and grateful towards her, ended up having the opposite effect where people got extremely upset that they didn't get what they came for, and not only that, a stampede almost break out. Right, so I'm just going to let you watch a couple of clips and then I'm going to get back and give you my commentary on the situation right now.
Right, could I buy a book for $100, pencil for $30? Come here, some people are push me down, my son, I'll see and turn this from asthma. And a tree, me come, this and a tree.
Now, as you can see from that clip, one bag of arms house business break out. People start shuffle through the crowd, people start argue and fight amongst themselves, right? People started demanding multiple items, right? And this is the thing, I'm going to say this directly to Spice and any other dancehall artists out there. Listen, when you're doing charity events like this, alright, first of all, I understand that you may have good intentions, but as they say, the road to hell is paved with good intentions. If you keep any of these streets in Jamaica and just tell people for just turn up at X location, there is going to be drama and problems, right? You cannot do that, right? First of all, people feel entitled, right? Even though they didn't give you anything, even though some of these people don't even like Spice or support her music, just the fact that freeness was being handed out was going to cause problem, right? In the future, I think, and obviously I'm not telling people how to spend their money. If you want, maybe them like the excitement because it's good for publicity, I don't know, right? But if you really want to help poor people in situations like this and you want to contribute towards children's education and things like that, there are multiple charities in Jamaica, right, who do a very good job of reaching out to people who are actually in need, right? They know that this lady here, this man here have this amount of children, they're struggling with this one go to this school, this one is getting this grade from that school, they need this textbook and this. This is how you really help the poor, right? This big free-for-all excitement, right, and the drama that surrounds it really doesn't do anything to help the people you're trying to reach out to. It's good for publicity, it's good for PR because it gives the image of this Christ-like person using 5 loaves of bread and a fish and feeding the multitude. And I don't know, maybe that's what some of these artists want. But I'm thinking, if you really want to help the poor, if you really want to help needy children, go directly to these charity organizations who are on the ground, right? Right? Who are putting in the work in these communities. Them know who need it and who don't. Because the woman in that very first clip who was saying, she's basically telling you she don't even need the things. She could have buy this, she could have buy that. Yet still she was there expecting to get a handout. That is what happens when you have one big free-for-all. And I don't know how Spice and our team didn't anticipate this. Right? People, Jamaica does have some very good charities, very good people who are on the ground putting in the work. Please, better spend your money there, right? And you know your money is actually going to the people who actually need it. Because that first woman, I've never seen anything like this. This is the definition of sorry for Marga Dog and him turn around and bite you, right? People were upset with Spice. There are multiple videos online of people that cuss out Spice, she this and she that. Remember, you know, these people are acting like them pay for your product and they get it, you know. And as I said, I'm sure that all those people are not even Spice fans. Right? Entertainers, please. This giant, huge public display of freeness and oh, look at me helping the poor. It really is counterproductive in my opinion. And as I said, I understand the intentions may be good, but intentions don't mean nothing. Because we almost saw a stampede, right? People are dropped down, people are faint, people are get asthma attack, people are fight each other for bag and all kind of things. Listen, we have to do better. So Spice, big up yourself for the intention. I mean, I imagine it costs a lot of money to put on this. But next time, please, let's go through the proper channels, right? Because you should know by now, first of all, you can't please people. Right? The culture we have, if you give somebody 3 dumplings, you should give them 4. And if you give them 5 dumplings, you should give them 6. Right? So just reach out to the proper channels and get to the people who are actually in need. But this is just my opinion. Let me know what you think, people. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Bless up.